I'm gonna ring the doorbell. It's so scary at night. I'm not scared. I've been through this.
Don't even say his name.
Yeah, it's Bubbles.
The only way he can be brought back is by calling his name 3 times.
Bubbles.
You gotta say my name 3 times.
What? Beetlejuice! Beetlejuice!
Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice.
Oh my god.
It's showtime.
Thank you. You're welcome. This is probably the funnest one.
Don't even say his name. The only way he can be brought back is by calling his name 3 times.
You gotta say my name 3 times.
Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice!
Beetlejuice.
I did. Hi, what the fuck you do?
It's showtime.
Oh no. You want some candy?
Oh, she's wearing a costume. Yeah.
I'm scared.
This is my 5th time being in here.
Beetlejuice.
What the signal?
Oh, what?
That's real. Sing
Yo, I had a heart attack. Oh my god, this is the coolest thing ever.
Okay, it says to ring the bell. Go ring the bell.
Hi.
It says to. It says ring bell.
Okay, what's gonna come?
I don't know. Oh, Bubbles! Oh my gosh, look at her.
You are so amazing.
The only way he can be brought back
You definitely brush your hair today.
I need to take a shower real bad.
Oh my god, this is amazing.